I hope my eyes didn't go like
because I just don't think this is going to move. I take it back. It's the right colour.
I really love makeup. It's one of my favorite things to do.
I would say I wear lipstick nearly every day. I do like to have a lot of colour on my lips.
I don't wear lipstick very often. I'm more of a lip balm kind of gal. If I have an event, I might do a very bold sort of red.
I don't wear lipstick very often actually, probably only if I'm going out on a night out or for dinner or something. I've got one that I've had in my makeup bag for years and I actually don't even know what it is, I'm really sorry. It's one I got for Christmas. Oh, I don't know, Estee Lauder I think.
I usually only wear lipstick when I'm going out, sometimes for work but not that often, but I do enjoy it when I do it.
I like a glossy finish.
I like a matte finish sometimes and a gloss finish sometimes. It really depends. That was a very schmeh answer, but it really depends.
I would generally go for a matte finish. I don't have anything too shiny on my face.
I think generally I'd go for matte because it's a little bit less formal, I feel. But I like both, and sometimes when I go out in the evening I go for a sort of more of a shine.
But I'd say matte is my least favorite because I have dry skin all over, including my lips, so it sits the most uncomfortably on me. I think one of the most annoying things about any lip product at all is how much I have to touch it up. I feel like everything else on my face I don't really have to. I just haven't found something that works well enough to keep going back to it regularly.
When I wear lipstick, my main worries would be it getting on my teeth. Smudging maybe, although I think the better ones you don't really have to worry about it.
So my ideal lipstick would probably be something that lasts quite well, ideally sort of the best part of a day. Something that didn't stain too much, so if I had to get changed or go out and about, that it wouldn't transfer onto other things. What else? And just a really flattering colour, I think. I'd love that. I usually go for something quite neutral because I've got quite fair skin.
I probably want something that is quite moisturising because my lips do get quite dry, because then I'll have to keep putting Vaseline on or something. And yeah, something that's easy to apply because I'm not very good at makeup and lipstick and stuff, so if something's easy to apply, it's really helpful for me.
If I was looking for a lipstick, generally I look for something that's quite a bold colour. I tend to like lilacs and quite dark reds. I like it to be glossy as well as moisturising, and I would hope for it to stay on for most of the day.
These are the Revlon ColorStay Suede inks, and there are 5 different shades.
Sounds very lovely. Very surprised that it's a Revlon. Love the packaging. I feel like when I open it, it might be a lip gloss. It seems like I'm probably gonna be wrong. Yeah. So very sleek packaging. It sort of looks like the Hermes one, doesn't it?
I think it's very nice. It's very sleek. I feel like yeah, it looks quite sophisticated. If I can open it. Oh, that's easier said than done. Okay. Apart from me being stupid, it was very easy to open. I think it's really nice actually. That's probably a bit too red for me, so I'm just going to pop that one over there. I reckon this one, but potentially it's a little bit more pinky, but let's have a little look.
These two are quite similar, and I feel like some of them might be a bit too light for me. These two are like definitely catching my eye because they're so bright, and I love a bright color.
I do like the packaging, very easy to find in your handbag, as well as obviously because the color is on the packaging as well, so quite easy, and it's easy to fit in the purse. I do like this a nude color, but I would find myself probably mixing and blending it in with other colors. Something maybe like a brown lip liner or lipstick, but it does feel quite creamy. And this is my favorite. I love anything red toned, slightly pinky as well, quite bold, just what I like.
Well, I immediately go for the most neutral one, this one. So I'm going to have a quick look at that one first. It's really, really pretty. It's a nice depth of colour without being too overpowering. And then the one that I would only probably use for very special occasions would be this bright red. And that is really quite striking, but I think it would have to match your outfit. Wow. As I opened it, I hope my eyes didn't go like I couldn't work out whether the two of them were the same. Hold on. Yeah, hot girl and that girl.
Got tunnel vision. Is it? Okay, there we go. Oh, I don't know why I thought it was going to be a liquid one because of the packaging, but this is cute. Oh, it's a bit too bright for my liking, not gonna lie. You can tell I'm not used to wearing lipstick because I am going all over the place.
I'm gonna take a swatch of this super bright pink red. Ooh, that's really, really pigmented. So the color comes off beautifully. I'm gonna try the deepest one, you know, so I'm gonna try In the Money, which is like this really dark burgundy. But this is quite a bold red, so I would do that for a night out or something. So let's try this one. Gosh, I am red today.
Maybe this one, which is Hot Girl. Ooh. Number 5. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that's a bit more red. Okay, I'm just gonna look at one more. Maybe the pinky one? No. Ooh, yeah, this one, which was that girl. I'm gonna try that one. Oh, quite pink.
So I've decided to try the slightly most neutral one, slightly paler version. See what that looks like. So I'm going to give this a go and see how I get on. That is really nice.
The texture of this, it's really, really smooth, and I'm not really putting much pressure on my lips.
So it's very, very buttery, very moisturizing. It's not clumping in any way, as sort of cheaper lipsticks tend to. And I've put this directly onto lip balm, so you might expect for it to sort of pill like your foundation does sometimes, but it's not.
It feels quite moisturizing, and you only need a little for the color as well. You can feel the moisture in the lip. It's very good. It doesn't rub off very easily even onto the other hand, which is very good. That means it would be quite long lasting, and it does look like it will stay on for most of the day.
Yeah, I really like that because it's not too strong and doesn't feel like it's going to smudge a lot, so I'm very happy with that one.
It's got nice sharp corners, so I can sort of do it quite accurately. I do usually put lipstick on with a brush, but this is pretty accurate. I don't think I would need one.
It's actually a lot smoother than I thought.
Almost zero transfer, just like whatever's on the inside of my mouth, I feel that's like wet, that's transferring.
Just going to do a quick transfer test to see how that works out. Hardly any transfer. I don't think it smudged the colour too much either, so I'm really happy about that.
And I actually think that this is absolutely not going anywhere. I think this will really, really stay on. It's not drying though. Sometimes the long-lasting lipsticks will be a little bit drying, but this doesn't seem to be drying at all. It's a really good quality colour.
Oh, not much actually, barely anything. Nice. It just feels quite smooth. It's quite nice. I like it.
I definitely feel like it's more of a matte finish. I feel like if I built it up more, it would make it a bit more of a solid color. I think it just might be that because my lips do have like a darker, cooler, like grayish tone to it, it might have transformed into a bit more of a fuchsia than like a berry pink. But I think it's pretty accurate. I would say it's pretty accurate. You tell what you're buying when you buy it.
I think the range of colours seems quite good. The first three are quite fairly neutral, which is, as you know, my favourite. The other one's a complete change. But what I think is really good about it is there's something for everybody's skin tone and different sort of choice, and also depending on where you're going.
The colour is very bold. I do think that it looked nice on most skin tones, and it's definitely something that I would wear as well.
I definitely feel like I need to try this with a lip liner and also wearing lip balm under the lipstick. But if that works out, I definitely can see myself using this color especially, and something that's super as like soft as this, and it feels like there's nothing on. I would definitely use this. And if it really doesn't transfer throughout the day and it wears well, it's another plus, because that means I have to touch up a lot less.
I do love the feel of this dried on because my lips are not feeling dry. They still feel quite moist, and touch of a finger, it's not rubbing off onto my hands. This is definitely, I would add this into my makeup bag. I have eyeshadows and etc. that will blend well with this colour.
I would definitely choose this lipstick, as I don't feel like I'm overdressed. It'd be great for daytime and suitable for work as well, so I'd be really happy about that.
I like it a lot more than I thought. When I looked at this, I thought it might be a bit much, but putting it on, I think it feels really nice. It was very easy to get on as well, which always helps. And I quite like this, so I'd happily put it in my makeup bag.
So this really feels like a very premium lipstick. I really like the packaging. The color, I imagine this is gonna stay on all day. It seems pretty accurate, actually, the color as it comes out. I would not expect this to be a Revlon, actually. I wouldn't expect it to be a high street brand. If I found the right shade, this is definitely something that I would add in, because I just don't think this is gonna move.